Sa video na to, samahan nyo ako muli sa paglalakbay natin dito sa India. Sa video na to, makikita nyo ang isang fort na matatagpuan sa Junnar sa Pune. Ang fort na ito ay tinatawag Shivneri Fort, isang ancient military fortification. Ang fort na ito ay ginagamit noon upang bantayan ang old trading route. Sa loob ng fort ay makakita ka ng small temple dedicated to goddess Shiva Devi. Ang fort na ito ay mayroon itong tatsulok na hugis at mayroon din itong mud walls around the fort. There are many gates structures protecting this fort. Mana Daravaja is one of the many gates of the fort. It's also called the origin of Chun.
Look. Diba? Yeah. So this is the third gate. How many gates in?
So that attackers can be stopped.
Can be stopped. Okay.
At some gate.
Some gates.
And then they'll become gatekeepers.
So you can see. So from the top, this is what you can see. Correct? Here gate.
Here they do the guarding. They
Guarding.
shoot from these walls.
Okay, sa butas na to, dito nila binabaril yung mga kalaban, yung mga enemy. See? You can see the whole kingdom of this. Nice.
People.
You call this pier gate. See inside the fort, this beautiful bougainvilleas, one of my favorite flowers in India. Marami ako nito sa aking garden in the Philippines. Ang aking munting hardin. Ayan. Lovely. But they put that na ngayon lang mahaba-haba din itong lakaran. Tingnan nyo naman, oh. See?
See, these are the old steps.
These are the old steps ito. Ngayon, ito yung old steps going up to the fort. Ito na yung bago.
This is the new
one. Much better and easier for the people to go up. Diba? Nakakapagod. Look at the view. Ay, scary. Ouch! And you better hold your ang hangin. Ouch! Ang hangin. Ito yung village, guys. Ito yung makikita nyo from the top of the fort. So marami kang view makikita. Steps. Ayan. Kikita nyo yung lumang steps. Ito yung unang gawa nilang steps. Yeah. And see the new one. See the difference? Punta pa sa taas. Pero hindi na kami pupunta. Hanggang doon yung pinakatuktok ng fort. Nakikita nyo yung wall na yon. Ayan. Pero hindi na kami pupunta. Kapakapagod. Explain. What do you call those? Firing?
From the hole.
From the hole?
On the attackers.
To the, so, here.
The attackers run away then.
So, ito mga butas na to, dito nila pinapaputok. Yung
Ito yung way nila guys para dalhin yung mga materyales papunta sa taas ng fort kapag meron silang aayusin.
Yung ugat ng puno, umakyat na doon. Akyat pa daw kami bago mo kami uwi. Ayun yung aking asawa. Nakakapagod. Tingnan nyo yung puno. Yung ugat niya. Ayan. I think that's the stop na, baby. I will not come na. Huh? You go up under the bamboo. Then you come back.
Pagkatapos nga guys ng mahabang lakaran, finally narating din namin ang tuktok ng fort kung saan makikita mo ang prayer hall, a tomb, and a mosque. So hanggang dito na lamang muli. Salamat sa panunood. Bye!